In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Play Protect Google Play Store. Play Protect is Google's built-in security layer for Android, designed to help keep your device safe by checking apps for malware and risky behavior. It works quietly in the background, but it's worth taking a minute to make sure it's turned on and to know how to run a scan whenever you want. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your phone. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, choose Play Protect. On the Play Protect screen, tap the settings gear in the top right. You'll see a switch for scan apps with Play Protect. Make sure this is turned on. This setting is usually enabled by default, but it's a good idea to double check. You'll also see an option called Improve Harmful App Detection. Turning this on is optional, but helpful. It allows Play Protect to get better at spotting threats by sharing information about unknown apps with Google, which can improve detection across the Android ecosystem. Once Play Protect is on, you can run a manual scan anytime. Go back to the Play Protect screen and tap Scan. Your device will check installed apps for anything suspicious. This process only takes a moment and you can keep using your phone while it runs. If Play Protect finds something potentially harmful, it will alert you right away and guide you through what to do next. Here's what Play Protect does behind the scenes. It scans apps before you install them and continues to scan after they're on your device. If it detects a dangerous or fake app, it will warn you, and in some cases it can block or remove the app automatically to protect your device. It doesn't just watch the Play Store either. Play Protect also checks apps that were installed from outside the Play Store, adding an extra layer of defense no matter where the app came from. A quick but important tip: keep Play Protect turned on unless you really know what you're doing. Disabling it can make it easier for unsafe apps to slip onto your phone without you noticing. With it enabled, you get ongoing protection with almost no effort. That's all you need. Open the Play Store, confirm Play Protect is on in the settings, optionally enable improved detection, and tap Scan whenever you want a quick check. It's simple, effective, and one of the easiest ways to keep your Android device safe.